Hi there, Ana Paula Hurtado here. In this video, we'll learn how to get live data in Power BI. Stay tuned. Alright, bank staff can discover and explore official World Bank data with Data Studio. Data Studio is a self-service data solution designed by ITS and provides easy access to dynamic reports, dashboards, visualization templates using Power BI. To access the official World Bank live data, first and foremost, you need to ensure you have Power BI desktop up and running on your account. Then you need to navigate to Data Studio. Easily type Data Studio on your URL bar. ITS has preloaded data from various operations so you can start analyzing official World Bank data and turning insight into actions with Power BI. For this, you have two options. You can either download the Power BI file directly from Data Studio, or you can start working with the visual template directly on them. Let's go ahead and dive in. Open a new window. Type Data Studio on the URL bar. Expand the Gallery menu and click on Visuals, Template. By default, the layout view is cards. You can change it to lists to identify various operation modules. As you can see, we have the lending module, portfolio, CPF, and more. This demo, I'm gonna use the lending dashboard. Now, important note here, there are two options for you to start analyzing official World Bank data. First, you can click on the Ellipsis menu to download the Power BI file to directly customize the visuals using Power BI desktop application. Let's download the PBIX file. Open the file. No, you don't have the data model view. And this is great because you don't have to worry about modeling the data. ITS already preloaded and viewed the data model for you. So you will get up-to-date data each time you use the file. Do you want to know when was the last time the underlying data was refreshed for this report? Click on Transform Data, select Data Source Settings. Let's cancel this. You know the rest. You can customize the visuals to suit your needs. You can add new visuals, and you can set filters, new filters. You can create measures. Also at the top, you can see the timestamp of this data. Okay, next you can save it to your account, to your desktop, or you can publish to your workspace for future use and to share with others. Now let's go back to Data Studio. The second option to work with World Bank official data is to click here to access the visual template directly on the web. Advanced user with a Power BI Pro license can customize the template or even create a new report from scratch with the preloaded and live data here. Visual template really keeps you up and running quickly. And also you can tell that by the hundreds of comments on Yammer about their experience with this solution designed by ITS and available here on Data Studio. Tell ITS your thoughts on the Data Studio. Use this blue feedback button. And as always, we are available to answer any questions you might have on this video.